Hello and welcome to ZebWatch TV. Today on ZebWatch TV, we are taking a question on function. A student just sent me this question today and I want us to look at it as far as function is concerned. So I'll write the question down, then we look at it right now without wasting much time. So the question is, it says that a function is defined by f of x maps to 3x minus 2 all on x plus 4. Then you are saying that on the domain is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is the domain, and also they are telling us we are to find the image of the following element of the domain. So from the domain, they say we should find the images of 0, we should find the images of 1, we should find the images of 3, and then find the images of minus 3, and also here we are find image. Good. Then our II says that what elements of the domain correspond to the following images. So there are some elements in the domain, but these are its images. So we should locate those ones. Okay. I think the first one is not clear, but I'm sure it's 1 over 5. The second one is 2 over 3. I'm sure it's not clear, and the last one is minus 4. And the I says that here we are finding domain, right? We are finding domain. Good. Domain. Then we are told to what value of x makes the function undefined. So value of x that makes the function undefined. And the last one, we should determine the range. We should determine the range of the function. So now we are we are moving straight into it. So I want you to pay attention and listen. Now, when the question was given, we were given a domain. And the domain starts from minus 3 to 3. Then we are told to find the images of some of the domain. And we are told to find the images of 0, 1, 3, and minus 3. As far as the domain is concerned, to find these images. So what are we going to do? So you know that f of x, so f of x will be equal to what? Y. So we are going to get y being equal to 3x minus 2 all on x plus 4, right? All on x plus 4. Then we are going to get we are doing that for 0. So when x equals 0, we are going to get y equals 3 brackets 0 brackets close minus 2 all on 0 plus 4. We are going to get y being equal to minus 2 over 4. Then we are going to get minus 1 on 2. Okay, for 0. That is for 0. So when x equal to 1, we are going to get y equals 3 bracket 1 bracket close minus 2 all on 1 plus 4. We are going to get y being equal to 3 minus 2 all on 5. We are going to get y being equal to 1 on 5. So for 1, we are getting y to be 1 on 5. Now we'll do the same thing for 3. So when x equal to 3, we are going to get y being equal to 3 bracket 3 minus 2 all on 3 plus 4, right? So we are going to get y being equal to, this is 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 is 7, so 7 on 7, and that is going to give us 1. And the last one for the question, we have minus 3. So when x equal to minus 3, we are going to get y being equal to 3 bracket minus 3 minus 2 all on minus 3 plus 4. So we're going to get y being equal to 3 times minus 3 going to give you minus 9 minus 2 all on minus all on 1. So we're going to get y being equal to minus 11 for the answer. So we are done with the A. That is the A. Okay, that is the A. So let's go back and read the B. Now the B says that we should find the domain for this one. We have 1 over 5, 2 over 3, and minus 4. So we should find the domain. So that is B. So the B. So B, we have to find domain for 1 over 5, 2 over 3, and also minus 4. Yes, and also minus 4. Now, so now we know that we said y is equal to 3 bracket x minus 2 all on x plus 4, and we put in the domain to get what? The element. Now that we are finding domain, it means that we are giving the y to find x. Okay, we are giving the y to find x. So we'll pick the first one, 1 over 5. So to be 1 over 5 being equal to 3x minus 2 all on x plus 4. Now what do? We cross multiply. So we are going to get x plus 4 being equal to 5 bracket 3x minus 2 in one bracket. Then we go ahead to get x plus 4 being equal to 15x minus 10. So we group them. We are going to get x minus 15x being equal to minus 10 minus 4. So here I'm going to get minus 14x being equal to minus 14. So we are going to get x is equal to 1. Because we divide both sides by minus 14, then we get x to be equal to what? 1. So that is the first domain. So for one, our element for 1 is what? 1 over 5. You get it? So we do that for the next one again. We have y being equal to 3x minus 2 all on x plus 4. So we are going to get 2 on 3 being equal to 3x minus 2 all on x plus 4. So we cross multiply again. We are going to get 2 bracket x plus 4 in one bracket being equal to 3 bracket 3x minus 2 in another bracket. So we open the bracket. We are going to get 2x plus 8 being equal to 9x minus 6. Group them. When we group them, we are going to get 2x minus 9x being equal to minus 6 minus 8. So we are going to get minus 7x being equal to minus 14. So we are going to get x being equal to 2, because if you divide both sides by -7, the minus will cancel and 7 goes to 14 two times. So this is what we are getting. Now let's look at the last part of it. That is the -4. So for -4 coming here, we are going to get 3x minus 2 all on x plus 4. So if you bring here over 1 and we cross multiply, we're going to get -4 bracket x plus 4 brackets close being equal to 3x minus 2. Then we are going to get -4x minus 16 being equal to 3x minus 2. So if we group them, we are going to get -4x minus 3x minus 3x -4x minus 3x being equal to -2 plus 16. And from here we are going to get -7x being equal to, so -2 plus 14 will give you, plus 16 will give you 14. So we are going to get x being equal to -2, because when we divide both sides by -7, the negative will affect the answer and we get -2. So that will be for the B. That will be for the B. Now let's look at the C and the D. Stay with me. Now we are also to find what makes the value of x that makes this the function undefined. That makes the function undefined. So what does it mean? It means that, you see, anytime we have a function and the denominator is equated to 0, right? It means that when I put that value there, it will make the denominator undefined. What I mean is, the function that we were given in the question is 3x minus 2 all on x plus 4. If I equate the denominator to 0, I'm going to get x plus 4 being equal to 0. Then I'll get x is equal to what? -4. So this -4, when I put it at where x is, I'll get what? I'll get 0. And 3x minus 2 over 0 is undefined. It doesn't make sense. Like, you can't solve it. So the value for x of which this is undefined is what? -4. It's just simple like that. It's just simple like that. I hope it's clear.